journey to identify the top IDO projects of the current time. Today we have landed on Monkey Ball. As per our research, we believe Monkey Ball has all the potentials to give investors returns in excess of 20x in a very short period of time. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about the Monkey Ball game, as well as a complete guide on how you can participate in the Monkey Ball IDO. Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss anything about cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below, as well as on the pinned comments, and this is completely free of cost. If you have any questions, shoot them straight into the channel. Either me or someone from the community would definitely help you to solve your queries. Without further delay, now let's jump onto the Monkey Ball. Now first, let's try to understand what is Monkey Ball. So Monkey Ball is a Solana based play to earn arcade soccer game offering a high production value gaming experience. Matches are played between two teams, each with 4 monkeys playing the positions of a scorer, defender, midfielder, and goalkeeper. With 6 rounds of play per half, the first team to 3 goals wins the match. When a match ends, the in-game currency token, Monkey Bucks, is split between the winning team, the stadium owner, and the spectators who rooted for the winning team. Now let's try to understand how you can actually participate in the game as well as earn some income from it as well. There are multiple ways for players to participate in the game economy for both active and passive players. Players can either own monkeys, build a team and win matches, own stadiums and host matches, or be a match spectator and earn by cheering for the winning team. So you can actually not participate in a match, neither you are required to hold any player or any stadium, and just be a spectator. For being a spectator as well, you will be rewarded handsomely in the Monkey Ball universe. Now once a match ends, the winning team, the stadium owner, and the spectators that rooted for the winning team receive a split the winnings of the match in the Monkey Bucks token, right? So if the team that you are cheering for wins the match, then you will be able to win a percentage of the total tokens. Now let's try to understand how do you actually buy a monkey NFT, right? So you can buy a monkey NFT by participating in the NFT drop happening this December. Specific details of this will soon be revealed. The sale will include a limited quantity of monkeys at a fixed price of 2 Solana. The rarity of the monkey that each purchaser receives will be set randomly, and the monkeys will be sent to the buyers immediately once the sale is concluded. Now this is how you can actually own a monkey. Now as I mentioned earlier, you can also earn by owning the stadium as well. Now how you can buy a stadium, let's take a quick look on this. So later this year, the Monkey Ball universe will offer a limited supply of stadiums in an exclusive NFT drop. So the details about how you can actually win or actually buy a stadium has not been revealed yet, but you can follow the community on Discord and you can understand about how you can participate or how you can win the stadium. Now let's take a quick look on the roadmap for the Monkey Balls game. Now in October, the Monkey Balls tokens pre-sale started. In the November, that is on the 30th November, there is the IDO. In December, there will be NFT drop for the monkeys. And in December, pioneers gear up for the camp as well. In early Q1 of 2022, that is when they plan to launch the in-game store. And in Q1 of 2022 also will be the breeding season. mid of Q1 will see another game launch, and Q2 of 2022 will see a treasury launch. In the middle of the second quarter of 2022, the stadium NFT drops will happen. Mind you, these stadiums will be the lands in the Monkey Ball metaverse. Now let's try to understand what are the different kinds of NFTs that will be on offer. First of all, the monkeys, which will be the teams, players introduced by the NFT assets owned by the game players. The monkeys serve as an income generator, allowing a player to earn monkey bucks by winning the matches. Right? So apart from this, there will be stadiums which will be offered as NFTs along the way as well. Now let's try to understand a bit more about the tokenomics of the Monkey Ball token, that is the MBS token. The total supply of the MBS token is 1 billion, with exactly 1% available through the IDO on Star Launch at an initial price of 0.04. Now, what is the utility of this MBS token? Let's try to understand that. The Monkey Bucks is the main in-game currency powering the game economy. Players get MBS by buying it on the available DEX or the centralized exchanges, by mining it, opening loot boxes, or winning it through completing missions, winning matches, being a spectator, or hosting games in their own stadiums. Now, what are some of the other benefits that the players can have by holding or by having the MBS token? So with MBS, players can breed new monkey NFTs, bolster their current ones, buy consumable items in the game store. MBS is a capped token with a limited supply. So as the economy of the game grows, as does the demand for the MBS and its rate. So the MBS token has a limited supply of $1 billion, and as the popularity of the game grows and as the metaverse matures, the demand for these tokens will increase, leading to an direct increment in the prices. Now, holding MBS has massive perks and advantages prior to Monkey Ball's first game mode being released, right? So we discussed that the game will be released in the first quarter of 2022. But prior to that, even if you're holding the MBS token, there are certain benefits. What are those? Holding MBS grants premier access to the much anticipated and upcoming NFT drop. If you don't hold any MBS tokens, you will not be getting any monkey as an airdrop. Number 2, farming MBS for rewards is another great advantage. So once the IDO is completed, there will be a reward plan for holders of the MBS. So once the IDO is done, then what kind of APY can be expected by farming the MBS tokens would be announced by the Monkey Ball team. What are some of the other benefits? Access to the upcoming Pioneers Gear Up camp, and also the breeding season. So with MBS and monkeys NFTs, you can breed the next generation of monkeys, which will enable you to complete a team or even sell monkeys in the market as well. Now, how can you actually participate in the IDO? Let's try to understand that. The Star Launch team has pioneered a novel approach to the IDO allocation model. So this is the Star Launch platform. You can go to starlaunch.com. So they have introduced a dual token system that features both a deflationary governance token, which is a stars, as well as a secondary utility token, which is called the Hydrogen, which will be used to gain access to the IDO. So it is important to understand that the Monkey Ball is the first IDO that is being launched on the Star Launch platform, which is exclusive launchpad for the Solana powered projects. Now this platform has two tokens. Number 1 is of course the Star tokens, and the number 2 is the Hydrogen tokens. Now you will be able to generate Hydrogen tokens by actually staking up your Star Launch. Now, in order to participate in the Monkey Ball IDO on the Star Launch, you will need to have Hydrogen. Now, the question is how we can acquire Hydrogen. Now, the first step is to actually purchase the Star Launch token on either of these 3 exchanges. What are they? They are Raydium, FTX, or Symmetry. If you are purchasing on FTX, you can simply go to ftx.com and purchase it directly through the USDT. If you are using either of Raydium or Symmetry, then you can create and use the Solflare or the Phantom wallets. Then the next step is to stake your stars to acquire Hydrogen. Once the Hydrogen is accrued, You can contribute to the Monkey Ball IDO by visiting starlaunch.com and selecting the Monkey Ball project. Then the step would be to complete the KYC. The KYC on Starlaunch is powered by Fractal. So if you click on complete KYC, you will be redirected to fractal.id, wherein you would be required to give your certain verification details, and then your KYC will be completed. Once the Hydrogen coin is acquired, these tickets can be used for Monkey Ball's IDO allocation. Each participant will receive an IDO allocation proportional to the relative contribution size of the Hydrogen in the pool, with a limit on a total allocation per participant. So these are the details on how you can actually participate on the Monkey Ball IDO. If I have to quickly take a look on the STAR tokens, the current price of the STAR tokens is at about $14.75. It is down about 14% from yesterday. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon. Also, do let us know by commenting below which is the next IDO projects that you would like us to cover, and we will be very happy covering them for you. If you would like to discuss anything related to crypto, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below and also in the pinned comments, and this is completely free of cost. If you want to join our private investor group where we invest in early stage projects like Monkey Ball, then you can reach out to us on Telegram. My Telegram is in the pinned comments. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.